Hey everyone, do you want your Apple Watch to truly stand out? Maybe your old band broke, or you just want something unique. Today, I'll show you how to crochet this fun piano keyboard band. It's not only super stylish and comfy, but it's also wonderfully stretchy and easier to make than you think. Let's create something truly special and make it together. Here's what you'll need: size 10 crochet thread, black embroidery floss, a 1.5mm crochet hook, and small scissors. You'll also need a tapestry needle, Apple Watch connectors, and thin elastic cord. Materials linked in description. Ready? Let's start crocheting. First, make a slip knot. Then attach it to your watch connector with a slip stitch. Now, single crochet around the watch connector. The number of stitches will depend on your watch size, but I did 10 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work. For the second row, slip stitch into the back loop only, all the way to the end of the row. From the third row onwards, you'll repeat this pattern. Chain 1, turn, and then slip stitch into the back loop only until the end of the row. This creates a nice, stretchy ribbing. Once your band reaches the desired length, it's time to attach the second watch connector. Make sure this connector faces the same direction as your first one. Single crochet to join and finish the row, working into the back loop only until the end. Now, try the band on your wrist to check the length. Leave a little room, about a finger's width, between the band and your arm. The elastic will create the final stretch. Once you're happy with the length, cut your yarn. Weave in any remaining yarn ends into the last row of single crochet to hide them neatly. Next, let's embroider the black keys. Use your black embroidery floss. Make a knot and thread your tapestry needle. You'll embroider the black keys into the dips or valleys of the ribbing you just crocheted. For each key, go back and forth 2 to 3 times to make it stand out. Repeat this process to create all your black keys. Once you've embroidered all your black keys, cut your thread, tie a knot, and weave in the remaining ends to hide them. Finally, let's make this watch band fit perfectly on your wrist. We'll use the thin elastic cord for this. Make a slip knot and attach it with a slip stitch. To the very first single crochet on the back center edge of your watch band. Now, slip stitch along the entire length of the band, working only into the one loops of the bumps, the raised parts of your ribbing. Pick up just one loop from each band loop as you go. When you reach the end, pick up just one loop from the last single crochet of the final row. Slip stitch, chain 1, and cut your thread. Weave in any remaining ends to hide them. And there you have it. Your unique piano keyboard Apple Watch band is ready. I hope you enjoyed making it. Show it off!